everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion, another episode, another new recipe. And today we are going to make a North Indian, very popular North Indian dish, that is Gobi Musallam. Yes, this is a very unique kind of recipe, and this recipe says our humble cauliflower can be so versatile. So in Gobi Musallam, basically we cook the entire cauliflower in a very rich, delicious gravy. But here in my recipe I have done something secretive. Yes, this is my secret recipe of Gobi Musallam. So if you want to know about my secret of making Gobi Musallam, you have to watch the entire video. So watch the entire video, and next time when there is any occasion or there is guest arriving in your home, so you can make this recipe and your Gobi Musallam recipe will be talk of the town for years. Do you want that? Then come and watch the entire video and learn how to make Gobi Musallam with me. Let's get started. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you are new, and also don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video, and also like, share and comment on the comment section below. Let's go. For making Gobi Musallam, first here in a pan I'm boiling some water, lots and lots of water actually, and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Next add whole cauliflower upside down and boil them for 5 minutes over medium to high flame. After 5 minutes, turn them over. One side is parboiled. We don't want to cook the cauliflower totally, just parboil them and turn them over, and for another 5 minutes boil them, so total 10 minutes. After that, remove the excess water and remove it on a plate. Take it out on a plate and make sure there is no excess water, and air dry them completely. It's necessary. So it's done. Now I'm going to make a stuffing. For that I have taken 100 grams of cottage cheese or paneer, grated ginger 1 teaspoon, and 2 to 3 green chilies chopped, and 2 teaspoon of coriander or dhania chopped. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, and salt according to your taste, and mix it properly. So this stuffing is optional in Gobi Musallam. Generally they just cook the whole gravy in a rich cook the whole cauliflower in a rich gravy. So this is my secret. I stuff the cauliflower. So for stuffing, take them upside down, and you can see the cavity. In that cavity I am going to put the paneer mixture or cottage cheese mixture. As much as it's possible, with your finger push them inside the cavity like this. Okay, with your finger push it inside. So one cauliflower is done. I am going to do the same with the other one. So this way you can stuff your cauliflower. You can use any other thing for stuffing. So here I have made some batter using besan, thick batter of besan or gram flour, and coat the cauliflower entirely in the batter and seal all the stuffing with the batter. Do the same with the other one as well. Be gentle so that you don't break it. Now they are done. Next we are going to fry both the cauliflowers. For that, here in a pan I have taken some vegetable oil, as much as required for the frying process. So put one cauliflower at a time, and over high flame cook them for 2 minutes on each side, because already it's parboiled. So we are going to just fry them, fry the besan basically. So using a spoon turn it over like this from all the sides so that all the sides are nicely fried. So you can see they are all golden brown in color. Now remove it on a plate so that there is no excess oil. And then I'm going to fry the other one. So 2 cauliflower are fried. So here I have taken 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil. To that I'm adding 2 bay leaves or TEJPATTA, 2 cinnamon sticks or DALCHINI. Next 3 green cardamom which I have pounded, and 2 black cardamom which I have pounded as well. Then 3-4 cloves, and fry them for like 15 seconds over low flame. Next add 2 large onion finely chopped, and we are going to fry them as well over medium flame. Okay, now add just a little bit, half a teaspoon or so salt for sweating or softening of the onion. Now cover it and cook them over medium flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, see, they have got some color and caramelized a little bit. Then add 1 teaspoon of grated ginger and 1 teaspoon of grated garlic or lehsun. Next mix them and fry them for 1 minute so that the rawness goes away. So they are nicely caramelized. Next add 1 teaspoon of crushed green chilies and fry them as well. So like within 7-8 minutes they will get into this color. Next add like 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. You can adjust the red chili powder according to your taste. If you don't like it so much spicy or hot, you can lessen the amount. Now mix them. Don't over fry them, otherwise the masala will burn. So do it over low flame. Then add 200 grams of tomato puree. I am using homemade tomato puree, and cook it over medium flame for 5 minutes till the rawness of the tomato goes away and it will release some oil. So cover it and cook it for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes you can see they have started to release oil. So at this stage add some sugar, half a teaspoon of sugar. This will balance the tartness or sourness and also give it a nice color. Next add 1/4 cup of water to cook the masala or braising the masala. It's called koshano as I said before. So cook it for 5 minutes over low flame. So after 5 minutes, see, again they're starting to release oil. Next add a paste of cashew nut and almond. I have taken 10 cashew nuts and 5 almonds and make a smooth paste out of it. Cook it over medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes till the rawness of the cashew and almond goes away and they will start to release oil. See, after 2 to 3 minutes they are releasing oil. Add salt according to your taste and mix it. Next add 1 teaspoon of Shahi Garam Masala. Again add it, mix it. Next add half a cup of water or more. You can add more, as much gravy as you want. If you want more gravy, so add more water. Next add 1 teaspoon of rose water and 1 teaspoon of KEWRA water and mix them as well. Next finish it up with 1 tablespoon of ghee. This is optional, but obviously ghee will take the gravy to a next level. So the gravy is done. Now we are going to add the cauliflower, whole fried cauliflower. I can't tell you the aroma right now I'm having in my kitchen. So you have to smear the cauliflower like this on the gravy. Smear the gravy over the cauliflower using the spoon so that it goes inside the cauliflower, and over low flame cook them for 5 minutes, and it will take all the goodness and aroma present in the gravy. So now after 5 minutes they are done and they look so delicious. So remove it on a plate. So our gobi musallam is ready. See, the recipe is so easy to make, but we scared to make this because we think it's a very complicated recipe. But after watching this recipe, I'm sure you will say this is a very easy recipe, isn't it? So I'm going to cut the cauliflower and show you how does it look from inside. See, the stuffing and the cauliflower is done. Doesn't it look so exclusive or exquisite? So serve it with some hot steamed rice, naan, roti, or I'm going to serve it with some Bengali style fried rice. It goes with everything and anything. So I hope you like the recipe. So make this recipe for your guest and your gobi musallam will be the talk of the town. So don't forget to like, share and comment on the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.